All right, I am showing the bathroom before. I did not clean up anything from this morning, and I was filming a couple of things for Instagram. So this is the before. And I will even show you my dirty sink. I mean, that's terrible. That's disgusting, right? Yeah. So I have a little helper. Are you the helper? Yes. Are you going to help Mama clean the bathroom? Yeah. Okay. So I am going to get started. So just like I said in my previous cleaning video, I always start from the top and work my way down. So in the bathroom, you need to be cleaning your, what's that thing called? The vent, the bathroom vent that sucks all the air up. We actually just did this not long ago because it was disgusting and driving me nuts. So I'm not going to climb back up there, take it off, and do it again because I'm looking at it and it doesn't look dirty at all. So I'm going to skip and move on to the next area. Okay, so the very first thing I'm gonna do so I can let it sit is just pour some Drano Max Gel down our shower drain. This thing is disgusting. This is embarrassing, but it is what it is. Oh gosh. I really need to get one of those like snake drain things that you like stick down there, because postpartum hair loss is no joke. Just gonna pour a little bit more, and then it says to let that sit for I think 15 to 30 minutes and then flush with hot water. I'm probably gonna let it sit longer than that, probably until I'm ready to actually clean the rest of the shower so that it can do its thing. And you know what? I don't even know if that was in focus, but if it wasn't, then I apologize, but I'm pretty sure you knew what I was doing. Now I'm just going to take everything out of all of the cabinets and drawers so that I have space to work. Let me show you. Here is under one sink. Literally no organization. There's that drawer. Mickey's stuff was just shoved in there, random stuff. And underneath my sink there. And then take all of that out, take those out, and clear all of this out. So here we go.
You've told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on, if you're gonna be moving on solo. Wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm rolling
I really should have done like a better job with this window because it was pretty bad. I noticed like on the like other side there was kind of like mold and I wasn't able to get to it. I would love to replace these windows because I'm pretty sure they are original to the house, so it's very much needed, but you know, that's a very expensive thing to do, so hopefully one day we can make it happen, but that day is not today. So I am just, you saw me clean the window tracks. I use straight Mr. Clean, scrub it, and wipe it up.
Wait a second, 'cause they're playing the best song.
Here I am picking up all of the bath mats, and I will put those into the laundry so that they can get started and be dry for the next morning. I noticed just when I was cleaning that one of the light bulbs was out, and I do replace that. I do not know if it's shown in the video, but I'm also going to be doing a bathroom organization coming up next week, so hopefully you will see that I actually did replace it, I promise. One of my biggest tips when cleaning the bathroom is to vacuum first and also dust, because there's so much hair and just dust and lint and clothing, like little fibers and stuff like that from your towels. So if you're trying to like wipe all of this stuff up before it's vacuumed, you're just kind of making a bigger mess for yourself. So like I said, that is one of my biggest tips. Vacuum and dust first before you clean. I saw on TikTok that if you take shaving cream or Dawn Power Wash and spray it on your mirrors, wipe it off, that it will prevent your mirrors from fogging up when taking a shower. I haven't tried it yet, but if you do, let me know how it works. See that I have now thrown my hair up. My husband has dubbed this the cleaning clip, and he knows whenever I put my hair up like this, I'm in business and I am deep cleaning something. But you can see that I'm using the powdered Tide, bleach, and hot water mixture to wipe everything down.
Unable to bend, I never listened. Trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? throw your stuff away before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find. I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that
You can see that I'm moving on to the shower right now. I'm spraying the shower door with my vinegar and Dawn mixture to let that sit. You will not see me come back to the shower until like the very end because my battery ended up running out whenever I went to go like clean the inside. So I didn't get to film it because I need to use the shower. My husband needs to use the shower, so I couldn't just let that sit for the next day, not cleaning it. But I did clean it, but that's why you won't be seeing it in the video.
maybe I'm just too weak, maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
While I was scrubbing the tub, leaning over, having some difficulty, I realized, hey, you have a scrub brush with a big handle on it and it's motorized. It'll do all this work for you. But I was already halfway through doing that, so I just stuck with what I had. But I do own the Clorox scrub brush, I think it's called. You'll see me use that on the shower in a little bit, but I highly recommend that because it makes cleaning the tub a lot easier.
Would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find a remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Sometimes when I'm thinking about us before we got lost.
If you didn't know, you're able to take off your toilet cover. Usually it just like snaps and unscrews. Yeah, this is really gross. Please do it. I should have used gloves, but I was already in there, so no gloves were used. But please take your toilet covers off and clean underneath those things, especially if you have boys.
What if I'm not good for you? What if you're not good for me? Yeah. What if I'm not good for you? What if you're not good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started.
It's kind of hard to see here, but I'm taking pine sol and pouring that into my toilet scrub brush holder. That's kind of my little tip to keep it fresh smelling and also cleaning the brush while it just sits there.
What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah.
It's not perfect, but it's much, much better. This shower just really needs to be replaced, and I cannot wait until we are able to do that. The last things to do are vacuum and mop your floors. I hope you all enjoyed this deep clean of my master bathroom. I hope it was motivating for you to check it off your list and go clean those bathrooms, girl.